In this video, I want to show you how to create database or directory in GIS. It is also called GIS database. How do you create it? Now, let me launch GIS to show you. Yes, let me maximize it. When you launch your GIS for the first time, you will usually see a notification like this. There is need for you to select your GIS database directory, and this database directory is where you will be saving your data. So like here, we can see a notification here that GIS needs a directory, also called GIS database, in which to store its data. So create one now if you have not already done so. And a popular choice is the GIS data located in your home directory. So you can press browse button to select the directory. You can create your customized directory, or you can choose the popular one, which is called the GIS data. So to do that, just click on browse. Come to user, expand it, then scroll down and come to document. Here is document. Click to expand it. Then scroll down and look for GIS data. Here is it. So select it. Once you select it, click on OK. So you can see that the directory has been chosen for your GIS, such that as you are working, this will be the database where your work will be saved or located. And of course, you can select a customized location or database which you want to be your database directory. But in essence, this is how to select or create a database directory in GIS. So after you have done that, you can now click on Start GIS section. So GIS is coming up now. So you can see the interface of GIS. Let's maximize it so you can see the interface. So in essence, this is how to create your database directory in GIS. Thank you for watching.